Hello guys, let me show you guys how I got this amount in Trust Wallet. Holding P. You see it transferred to my wallet. You want to confirm if it is actually a legit transaction, you go to BT scan. You see it here, successful. Transaction successful. How much do you spend for this? Because it's not free. Actually, if you look at it, you just spend 0.0002 BNB, which is approximately $0.08. So how do you get it? Now you have to check the description below to get the link where you put this link on. Actually, you put it on your dApps. Then if you go back here, you put it on your dApps. This is the link here, but you have to check your description button to see. Like I said, everything is in the description below. So right now, if we go back to our Trust Wallet, go back to the Trust Wallet, you copy, let's start, you copy, this is your wallet, this is the amount of pig I have collected since 1st January, and I just feel I should share it before it expired. So if I go to dApps and I'll click on dApps, you see dApps, then I'll paste the link, you hold, you paste the link, paste, once you paste the link, you wait for it to load. See it loading. Now if you look at it, it's remaining just 21 days, 2 hours, 38 minutes. See it counting down. Then on the 30th of January, it will start exchanging. You can decide to claim the airdrop and also get referral link and make more money from there. So if I click on claim airdrop, it will take me where it will connect to my wallet. I connect to the wallet. Now connect on a smart chain network, which means right now I have to change the contract to smart chain. But right now it will be, you see the price is heavy on Ethereum. So what you do now is you change the network to smart chain. So once you change the network to smart chain, then you now claim the airdrop. You claim the airdrop. If you look at it, like I said, it's very simple. All you need to do now is to pay the amount of BNB. Let's see it again. You pay 0.0002 BNB, and then you can decide to reduce the gas fee, and once you do that, you're good to go. Now if you check my Trust Wallet, you'll find out that it is received and it's successful. If you want to check the details, you can actually go to BC scan and you see that it's successful. Follow this step by step, check the description below, and if you want to get the contract address, actually you can get it from the description below, or you can just easily go back to your Trust Wallet. If you go back to your Trust Wallet, you can go back to the apps, check your recent history. Then if you go down, you will find out the contract address. The contract address should be somewhere on this site. You will get it here. This is the contract address. If you don't know how to add a contract address, I will show you. All you need to do is just to copy the contract address, copy it, you go back to your wallet, and then all you need to do is to tap on these settings here. See these 3 dots here, you tap it, you tap here, this place. So once you tap, you now write add, you now add a token. You remember it's in smart chain. You now go to smart chain and then you paste as plain text. You see showing invalid address because I actually copied with this, so I can remove it. And now you see, and you click on done, and that's that about that. Then you see your amount will reflect like this. So do it. do it. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how I got this also, I will drop it in the description below, and just check my channel, subscribe, and wait for more. There are many other tokens that are here. I'm still doing video on them. I'm doing almost every week. I get more tokens dropped my wallet. Some are already growing. This is already listed, and you can see the price is fluctuating.